Get ready to step into a realm where science fiction becomes reality. Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to an extraordinary journey through gadgets that give you real superpowers. Today, we're about to explore a world where invisibility cloaks, jetpacks, mind-controlled devices, and more are no longer confined to the pages of comic books. Dot will unlock the secrets behind cutting-edge technology that empowers ordinary individuals with extraordinary abilities. From flight to super strength, mind control to enhanced senses, these gadgets are rewriting the rules of what's possible. Buckle up as we dive into the future of personal empowerment. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more mind-blowing content. Let the superpowers begin. Invisibility cloaks. Step into the realm of science fiction turned reality with our first superpower gadget, the Invisibility Cloak. Imagine a world where you can vanish at will, just like the wizards of Hogwarts. These cloaks are not potions or spells, but a marvel of modern technology. Through advanced materials and light-bending techniques, they render the wearer virtually invisible. Join me as we unveil the science behind this mind-boggling innovation, exploring the intricacies of nanotechnology and metamaterials that make invisibility a tangible experience. We'll showcase real-world demonstrations and delve into the potential applications of these cloaks. From military stealth to everyday adventures, from the pages of fantasy to the cutting edge of reality, these invisibility cloaks are rewriting our understanding of what it means to be unseen. Get ready to disappear into the future. Jetpacks for flight. Soar into the skies with our next superpower gadget, Jetpacks for flight. Picture a world where commuting becomes an exhilarating experience as you lift off the ground and navigate the open air. These marvels of engineering aren't just for science fiction anymore. They're rewriting the rules of personal transportation. Join me as we explore the mechanics behind these jetpacks, from powerful thrusters to precise control systems. We'll witness breathtaking footage of daredevils taking flight and discuss the possibilities these gadgets unlock, from emergency response to leisurely air travel. Whether you dream of escaping traffic or embracing a new era of personal flight, these jetpacks for flight are propelling us into a future where the skies are no longer the limit. Get ready to elevate your sense of freedom. Super strength exoskeletons. Step into the realm of superhuman strength with our next extraordinary gadget, super strength exoskeletons. These marvels of technology aren't just suits. They're power amplifiers that unlock the potential for Herculean feats. Join me as we dissect the engineering brilliance behind these exoskeletons, from advanced materials to responsive actuators that enhance human strength exponentially. We'll showcase real-world applications, from heavy industry to medical assistance, where individuals can effortlessly lift massive loads and conquer physical limitations. Through jaw-dropping demonstrations, witness the seamless integration of man and machine as we explore how these exoskeletons are revolutionizing industries and redefining what it means to be strong. Whether it's enhancing the capabilities of workers or aiding those with physical disabilities, these super strength exoskeletons are paving the way for a future where human potential knows no bounds. Get ready to witness the fusion of man and machine in the pursuit of unparalleled strength. Mind-controlled gadgets. Dive into the cutting edge of brain-machine interface technology with our next extraordinary gadget, mind-controlled gadgets. Imagine a world where your thoughts seamlessly translate into actions, where technology responds to the power of your mind. Join me as we unravel the neural magic behind these devices, exploring the intricacies of brainwave detection and interpretation. We'll showcase mind-controlled gadgets in action, from turning on lights with a thought to manipulating digital interfaces without lifting a finger. Through fascinating demonstrations, witness the fusion of biology and technology as we delve into the incredible potential for accessibility, gaming, and beyond. These mind-bending innovations are not just reshaping how we interact with gadgets, but are opening up a world where the power of thought becomes the ultimate tool. Get ready to witness the future where your mind is the controller. Super hearing and vision enhancements. Step into the extraordinary world of sensory augmentation with our next superpower gadget, super hearing and vision enhancements. Imagine a reality where your perception goes beyond natural limits. These gadgets redefine the way we see and hear, unlocking a spectrum of possibilities. Join me as we explore futuristic glasses that grant night vision and devices that amplify your hearing to superhuman levels. We'll delve into the technology behind these enhancements, from advanced optics to cutting-edge audio processing. Through captivating demonstrations, witness how these gadgets provide an enhanced view of the world and allow you to tune into sounds previously unheard. From increased situational awareness to personalized sensory experiences, these super hearing and vision enhancements are not just gadgets. They're gateways to a heightened reality. Get ready to see and hear the world in ways you never thought possible. As we bid farewell to this whirlwind journey through the realm of gadgets that bestow real superpowers, I hope you're as captivated as I am by the incredible possibilities that technology brings to our fingertips. From invisibility cloaks to jetpacks, super strength exoskeletons to mind-controlled marvels, and the enhancement of our senses, these gadgets are not just the stuff of dreams, but tangible glimpses into the future. If you've enjoyed this odyssey into the extraordinary, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to stay tuned for more mind-bending content. The frontier of superpowers is expanding, and who knows what incredible advancements await us next. Until next time, stay empowered.